In this video, you will learn everything about PrimeXBT. PrimeXBT is a Bitcoin broker that enables you to trade both crypto futures and CFDs and has more features like options and copy trading, so stay tuned. First, let me tell you what I will cover in this video. General information about PrimeXBT. Is the broker regulated and are your funds safe? What markets do they offer? What trading platforms do they offer? What are the trading fees? What are the co-vesting and turbo platforms? In the end, I will sum up PrimeXBT. PrimeXBT is a non-KYC Bitcoin broker. PrimeXBT was established back in 2018 and were among one of the first Bitcoin brokers that allowed CFD trading. The company since 2018 has grown exponentially and provide top-tier liquidity for their clients in more than 150 countries. They provide clients with more than 50 trading assets, which we will get back to, and with more than 12 liquidity providers, they execute trades in less than 7.12 milliseconds. Their trades are executed via one of their Amazon Web Service servers in London and Frankfurt. Combining the Amazon servers and their liquidity providers, you can rest assured that you won't encounter any slippage. One more thing I love about PrimeXBT is that they do weekly maintenance. This assures me that I will never have problems with my trades and that the website is secure, along with my funds. Now let's talk about safety. Safety regarding your funds is always important, especially if it is cryptocurrency. So how do they protect your funds? PrimeXBT is not a regulated broker. This is what enables them to provide a high leverage, non-KYC and a Bitcoin funded account. To prevent any losses, in case of security breach, PrimeXBT provides two-factor authentication via Google Authenticator and mandatory whitelisting of withdrawal addresses. Furthermore, PrimeXBT stores your funds in a cold wallet. PrimeXBT has also taken precautions to prevent their site from being attacked by encrypting website traffic, cryptographically hashing passwords, and using Cloudflare to prevent any DDoS attacks. Moreover, they perform regular checkups to make sure there aren't any problems. Now let's talk about the platform itself. What trading instruments do they offer? PrimeXBT is truly one of a kind and offer crypto, forex, indices and commodities with up to 1,000 leverage. When it comes to crypto trading, they offer a handful of major cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, EOS and XRP. PrimeXBT also offers BTC quoted crypto assets, so if you are worried about volatility, you can buy the Ethereum Bitcoin futures contract. As for Forex, they offer more than 45 currency pairs, so there is a pair for any trader. PrimeXBT also offer a big selection of indices from Dow Jones to Japan 225. As for commodities, PrimeXBT offer Brent and crude oils, natural gas, silver and gold. Furthermore, gold and silver offer multiple quoted pairs, such as Australian dollar. Now let's take a look at PrimeXBT's trading platform. The platform is web-based and has a nice clean look. Platform is modular, so you can resize and move the windows as you like. The platform has widgets, so if you want more charts, watch lists or any other window you can do that. The charting is decent, you can have many indicators and drawings. The platform also offers one-click trading for those who need to get in and out of a trade very quickly. As you can see, the platform has different tabs, which nicely separates the features from one another, and this helps simplifying the experience. PrimeXBT also offer a mobile app. The app is very much like the web platform. You can trade and do your analysis as you would usually do. The app is mainly targeted to trading and management, so you can't withdraw funds from your account with the app. Furthermore, it doesn't support the other platforms by PrimeXBT, such as turbo and co-vesting. One thing I want to address is that the app is not perfect. If you mainly trade with your phone, this app is not for you. The app has small problems such as logging you out very frequently, and with two-factor authentication enabled it adds extra time to logging in. Let's move on to the fees. PrimeXBT charge a flat fee for opening trades and holding trades overnight. The trading fees for opening a Forex trade is 0.001%, and holding a Forex trade overnight is charged up to 0.005%. The fee for opening a commodity or indices trade is 0.01%, and fees for holding such trade overnight is up to 0.05%. The fee for opening a cryptocurrency trade is 0.05%, and fees for holding such trade overnight is up to 0.2361%. Needless to say, these prices are low, and a one-lot Forex trades only cost $2.25. Lastly, the withdrawal fee is a fixed 0.0005 Bitcoin. I mentioned before that PrimeXBT offered two other platforms. PrimeXBT provide the two platforms called Turbo and Covesting. The Turbo platform is a basic and common binary options platform where you can trade Forex, crypto and commodities options. The minimum trade size is $1, and the trade duration varies between 1 minute to 10 minutes. Moreover, the return is up to 85%, which is very competitive to other binary options brokers, so overall Turbo is a great platform. Now let's move on to the Covesting platform. Covesting is a copy trading platform. All you need to do is follow a trader's portfolio by depositing some money, and then you can begin making money. And if you would like, you could open your own portfolio and others can follow you. There was also another tab called Analysis that you may have noticed. This module is still in the works. However, you can still do your analysis on the TradingView integrated chart. Let's sum up this review. PrimeXBT is a Bitcoin broker that offer cryptocurrency, commodity, indices and Forex assets that the user can trade with up to 1,000 leverage. The fees are fixed and low. The trading platform is simple and easy to use and has good charting. PrimeXBT offers great platforms such as Turbo and Covesting. Furthermore, there is an analysis module in the works, and hopefully one day, you wouldn't need to leave PrimeXBT to do fundamental analysis. That's all for this review. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.